But before digging in, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, Growth Phobia. I put videos about how to make money online, skip the 9 to 5 job and do whatever you want, whenever you want. So this is the videos that I uploaded before. So maybe this video could not be for you, maybe you don't like it, but I'm sure that one of these videos will help you to make some extra money from the internet. Okay, so make sure to take a look at those videos and to subscribe to my channel. Make $10 per hour with this legit way right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually earn $10 per hour without needing to have any set of skill or any certificate or any degree. So stay tuned. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make that $10 per hour PayPal money right now by chatting and talking to people in English. You don't have to be a native English speaker to do this, and I'm going to show you how this is possible and how you can do it. I'm going to show you the process and steps to start earning money right now. So I was checking and double checking all the English schools out there, and also some applications, some learning applications and teaching application, and I came across an application that I'm sure that most of you will like, and I will show you in this video what I'm talking about. So what I noticed is that most people that want to start teaching English from home, they don't have experience to do this. This application don't require you to have some kind of skill, some degree or some certificate. All you need is a good English skill and the ability of speaking English fluently. This is all you need. So what could be a better way to get around with this is to start with an application that offers people the ability to speak English with different learners from around the globe, learning new things, making new friends, and also making money, and not to mention the convenience of just using your phone to teach people, using your phone to earn money. This is very easy. This is very good. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. So the Talklist is another Android application where you create a profile and then teach when you're available. Like most of these other applications out there, you can be a native or not native teacher. There is no degree required and no certificate required either. And the average pay for the Talklist is 17 cents per minute, which comes out to about $10 an hour. So your student base is mainly adults who are looking for conversations and other functions to help them learn English. So this is how the website looks like. This is the Talklist. You can be a student, or you can be a tutor, or you can sign up on the school's program. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can be a tutor and not a student, because the reason I'm doing this video is not to spend money but to make money. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. It is an open educational community where anyone can earn or learn online tutoring through one-to-one video sessions. And this is where you download the application. You can download it from the Play Store or the App Store, or you can download it from the website here. Okay, so this is the application that you will need to do the one-to-one video sessions. Okay, so this is the homepage of the Talklist, this website. So if you want to sign up to be a tutor, just click here, and once you click here, they will redirect you to this web page. Like you're seeing here, welcome to the world's first open education network. Okay, so they claim it to be the first open educational network, whatever. Here you can sign up. Okay, it's the coolest part-time job ever. You can sign up by clicking here. You can take a look at some more informations here. Okay, and one of the main, or one of the important things on this website is the level. Okay, so the Talklist, guys, is always has an open enrollment, and if you have the right interpersonal skills, then become a tutor could be a good thing, and then you can register and take the optional e-training like you're seeing here to get the silver Talklist. Okay, so your free registration get you the bronze Talklist. Okay, and you can upgrade your status by taking the e-learning test on this website after signing up, or by submitting an educational or teaching certification to get the Gold Talk list. Okay, the Gold Talk list. So if you want to get the Gold Talk list, you actually need the e-training and also a certification if you want to get this. But once you get the Gold Talk list level, you will get more you will get more offers, okay, from other students out there that want the one-to-one video session with you. So if you want to sign up, just click here on sign up, okay, and they will redirect you to this web page. So this is your profile. You will have to put those informations here, your personal informations, which is your name, your age, and also some other informations like your address, your country. The contact is where you put your email address and also the mobile phone, okay? So you will get SMS or emails from people that want the one-to-one video session with you. The financial is the school, okay, so your degree or something like that. The free session is there is a free session, yes, and the price for every 25-minute video session is like 3.76. You can downgrade it to 3.5 or 3 just to start, okay? And here is the PayPal email, okay, because they will pay you through PayPal, so you will have to put your email here, your PayPal email here, and the tutoring and the password, okay? You just have to fill all the informations here and click on save. Also upload the video grading. This is very important. Once you click here, they will show you a sample video on how to make your video grading and the biography. You will have to create a small biography and the calendar opening, okay? So this is after you're signing up, and you can use this website actually to be a tutor or to be a student. But in this video we are talking about how to make money, but not how to spend it. So the Talk List is an open education community, guys, where anyone can earn or learn, and it is by online tutoring through one-to-one video sessions. Then you can make your mobile phone for this one-to-one video session. So the first one you should know is there is no degree required, there is no certificate required. And do you hire both native and non-native teachers? Well, in the Talk List, guys, they hire both, okay? So non-native and also native speakers, so you can be one of them, which means that whatever your level in English, you will get accepted in this website, and you can learn from any location in the world. So this is a worldwide website or a worldwide application or a way to make money, and not just for some people. And for the peak hours, well, the Talk List is flexible to peak hours for students and tutors, so you're able to choose your own schedule on this website. And the pay rate is actually $10, okay? It is just $10 per hour, which is great if you're not native and you don't have a certificate or any degree. Then $10 is a great thing, especially if you live in some third world country. And so the last thing, guys, is about the students or the type of students that you will teach. So the students here are actually adults and not kids, which could be better for you, I think. So this is how the website looks like, and I was taking a look at some reviews on Glassdoor. I mean, just take a look at those reviews. The main review, or the reviews, are 4.9 from 5, which is actually 98%. This is actually amazing, guys. I mean, just take a look at those reviews out there on Glassdoor. This is amazing. Then this proves that this is actually legit, and you will get paid, and people loving it. Either you're a student or a tutor, you will love the Talk List, guys. Just take a look at it. It's worth it. Some of the applications out there still looking for native English speakers, but not all of them. So this is a great opportunity to start learning English, especially for non-native English speakers, okay? And it is worldwide, so you don't have to be afraid that this would be just for some people, that this would be just for US residents or United Kingdom residents or something like that. This is worldwide. So this is a great opportunity to start learning English online, and especially for non-native speakers, okay? And precisely for some college students who need some side hustles to support themselves. So this could be a good way to earn some extra money while you're studying. So I noticed that the reason why most applicants don't get accepted in the teaching institute is because they don't have certifications or they don't have degrees. This is why they don't get accepted. So this is why I think that the talk list could be the best solution for you, okay? The best solution for you, and especially if you're not a native English speaker. So why not go into the description box and sign up using my link, okay? Do it right now and start earning money right now. So this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and let's see you in the next one. Take care.